Reportedly, Russia has developed a prototype air-to-ground missile, or often called hypersonic air-to-surface, for Sukhoi Su-57 stealth fighter jets. This new weapon system is reported to be installed in the internal weapon bay fighter jet. Before continuing to the video, click like and subscribe. The Su-57 is a fifth-generation Russian fighter jet. This aircraft was built as a competitor to the US F-35 stealth fighter jet. Companies from the Russian military-industrial complex have created prototypes of small air-to-ground hypersonic missiles for internal deployment of Su-57 warplanes, said a Russian military source. In December 2018, sources in the defense industry revealed that the Su-57 was likely armed with hypersonic air-to-ground missiles, with characteristics similar to the Kh-47M2 Kinzhal ballistic missile. Military sources did not provide additional details regarding the new missile prototype for the Su-57. However, given the large Kinzhal missile size, the new hypersonic missile is likely to be smaller, so it fits in the Su-57 internal weapon bay. The Kinzhal missile is capable of carrying nuclear warheads and is considered a variant of the Iskander-M short-range ballistic missile launched on land. Iskander's own missile has a range of about 500 kilometers and is capable of reaching top speeds of up to Mach 5.9 in the terminal flight phase. The Russian Air Force is expected to receive the first mass-produced Sukhoi Su-57 fighter this year. A Su-57 fighter jet crashed in December 2019 about 120 kilometers from the Komsomolsk-on-Amur aircraft factory in Russia's Far East during flight tests. The aircraft involved in the incident is considered the first mass-produced Su-57.